My name is Jimmy Biako, and my hobbies to do in my free time is cooking, cleaning, organizing, watching both movies and series, and also playing volleyball and online games like Call of Duty and Mobile Legends. Now, before choosing PSBA Financial Management as my course for now as a college student, my first choice was to be a nursing student because of my sister and my grandmother who was a nursing student. But the having problem with financial, I adjusted in just taking the course of BSBA Financial Management because it talks about, or we will learn about finances that will eventually help me and my family in the future in making decisions towards our financials. Now, my expectations this senior year 2025 to 2026 is just to have fun while learning at the same time and also make friends along the way. Well, that is all. Thank you.
December 25, Daddy Ro! May pinapakita siya sa akin. Mag-brief ka na! Mag-brief ka na!
Don't have to tell your heart as a